Hello, my lovely students. This is teacher Hayataha from Modern Systems Schools. This lesson is for third grades and it's about simple present. So, this is part two of our video about simple present. And as I said in part one, part two is about the worksheets. So, we're gonna do some exercises in the worksheet together, okay? You can find these worksheets on MSS website, okay, as a PDF file. Let's start. Simple present tense. Let's revise the rule together, okay? The first thing in simple present we need to take care about is the singular subject. So when the subject is singular, I put to the verb s or es. For example, he cooks food every Friday. The verb is cook, okay? To cook, I add s. Why? Because he is singular. Okay. Amal goes to school every day. The verb is go. To go, I add es. Okay. I add es. Why? Because Amal is singular. And I add es because the verb ends with o. Okay. When the verb ends with o, I add es. In the next worksheet, you're gonna see the letters that become at the end of the verb to make me put es. Okay. So what is a singular subject? He, she, it, or a singular noun? Number two, we should take care of plural subject. Okay, so plural subject plus a verb. I don't add anything, it's verb one. Okay, the verb stays the same. They cook food every day. The verb cook, I didn't add s. Why? Because I have a plural subject which is they. Teachers go to school every day. Go is the verb. I didn't put ESY because teachers is a plural subject. Okay, what are plural subjects? We, you, they, plural noun, and the pronoun I. Okay, let's do this exercise together. Okay, follow the rule up and form the verbs in the brackets to make them simple present. Okay, we all now are familiar with the rule, right? So we need to follow it and we need to fill the blanks with the suitable verb form from these brackets. Let's start together. Okay, number one, Ali the car every Monday. Every Monday. So I have every Monday. This is a routine, okay? And I have drive. So I need to use simple present. I have Ali here. I have Ali. And Ali is a singular subject. Singular. So when singular, what do? I add S to the verb. This is a drive. So it's gonna be drives. Okay. Ellie drives the car every Monday. Number two, my brother eating cake and I have like. My brother eating cake and I have like. Okay, let's look at the subject. The first thing you do is looking at the subject. We have my brother, the subject, and my brother is singular. So when I have singular subject, what do? Bravo, I add s to the verb. Thank you very much. So likes, done. Number three, the writer always a good poem. The writer always a good poem, and I have right. I have right. Okay. Where is the subject? The subject is the writer, right? And the writer is what? Singular or plural? Singular. Bravo. So what do I do here? I add s to the verb write. It becomes writes. The writer always writes a good poem. We usually to visit our grandmother. We usually to visit our grandmother, and I have the verb go. What's the first thing I do? I look at the subject. Where is the subject? It's we. What about we? Is it singular or plural? Mm-hmm. It's a plural subject. So, do I do something to the verb? No, I don't. I just add it as it is. Okay, so go. Number 5. My friend realistic stories sometimes. My friends realistic stories sometimes. Realistic story means real stories. Okay, and I have the verb read. So the first thing I do, I look at the subject. Excellent. So I look at the subject. Look at the subject here. Is it singular or plural? It is plural because I have the S. My friends, all of them. Okay, so what do I do to the verb? I don't do anything. I just add it. Read. That's it. Okay, so I need you here to be careful with um, some words like every Monday. Okay, always, usually, sometimes. These words are friends with a simple present. So every time you see them, you're gonna use a simple present in your writing, maybe in your speaking. Okay? So simple present. First thing, I look at the subject. If the subject is singular, I put S to the verb. If the subject is plural, I don't do anything. I add it as it is. Okay? Let's move to the next worksheet. Okay, so number 6 is a homework. Done. So this one is a homework for you. Number 6. Okay, this is a homework. The children to their teacher daily. The children to their teacher daily. So we look at the subject, the children. Remember, children is what? Singular and plural. And what do you do to the verb? Done. This is your homework. Okay. Worksheet number 2. It's about the spelling rules. Remember when I told you that you're going to have a worksheet tells you the ending with the verbs? This is it. So, spelling rules. 1. Verbs ending with S, O, X, ch, sh. What do? You put es to it. Okay, so when the verb ends with S-O-X, ch, we put es. If it doesn't end with this, we just only add s. For example, go ends with o. See, so I add es. Wash ends with sh. I add es. Okay, this is spelling number 1. Spelling number 2, verbs ending with consonant plus y. Consonant plus y. And let's remember together, what's a consonant? A consonant is not a vowel. Okay? So a consonant is not a vowel. What are the vowels? O, A, I, U, E. Okay, remember the face shape. Done. These are the vowels. Now, what do I do here? I change the Y into I and I add ES. Okay? For example, he study. Look at study. Okay. I have Y here. I look before it. Do I have a vowel? No, I don't have a vowel. So I cross the Y and I put I. And then I add es because he is singular. Okay. Now, if the verb ends with y but before it I have a vowel like play, look here. play. It ends with Y. I look before it. This is a vowel, right? Do I do something with the Y? No, I don't, because vowels are strong. They rescue the Y, okay? So I don't change it. I only add S to the verb. Done? Okay, let's move to the next part. Add S or IES. Add S, ES or IES to the following verbs. Okay, so we need to look at the last letter. If it is Y, look before it. If it is a consonant, I add IES. If it is a vowel, I only add S. If it is S, O, X, J, Sh, and Z, I add ES. If it is not, I add only S. Okay, let's start together. Okay, now I'm not gonna repeat the verbs, I'm gonna just add something. If they need to change, I'm gonna repeat it. Okay, number one, cry. So look at cry here. Okay, so cry here ends with Y. Remember, I look before it. Is this a vowel? No, it's not. So what do? I change the Y into I, so it becomes cries this way. Number two, try the same. I look at the Y before it, or is it a vowel? No. So I change the Y into I. It's tries. Okay, let's see this. Finish. What do I have at the end? I have sh. Okay, so what do? I add es. So I'm gonna just only add es. Done. Finishes. Teach. What do I have? I have ch. So what do? I add es. Teaches. Okay. Number five. Do. At the end, what do I have? I have O. So what do? I add es. Does. Does. Number six. I have a play. And look, this is a Y. Before it, I have a vowel. Do I do something? No, because vowels are strong. They rescue the Y. So I only add S and it's plays. Okay. So this is your homework. Done. This is a homework. So number seven, eat. Eats, drive, drives, smell, smells, pray, prays, kick, kicks, carry, carries, crush, crushes. Okay, so follow the rules and it's gonna be all easy and you're not gonna have difficulties with. Done? Let's move to the next. Okay. Read the following sentences, then choose the correct verb. So I have here sentences, okay, and here I have boxes. Inside these boxes, you're gonna see verbs with S, ES, or with nothing. So I need to circle the correct verb, and I'm not gonna circle, I'm gonna highlight, okay? So let's highlight together. He TV every weekend. I have he. He. Is it plural or singular? It is singular. So it's singular. Do I add es or I leave it? Of course I add. So this is the right answer. Watches. Okay. Watches. This is the right answer. Watches. He watches TV every weekend. Number two. They always the window when they play. Okay, they. Is it singular or plural? Bravo, this is a plural. So do I add something? No, I don't. So it's a break. Break. They always break the window when they play. Number 3. Maher cold in the winter. Maher cold in the winter. Where is the subject? Excellent. The subject is Maher. Okay, look at here. I have feel, I have feels. Maher. Is it singular or plural? Bravo, this is singular. Listen to me. A singular means I add s to the verb. Easy. Okay, singular, then add s. Singular, then add s. Okay, so Maher feels cold in the winter. Number 5. The woman nice daily. The woman. Is it singular or plural? The woman, one lady. So this is singular. Bravo. I have a dress and dresses, and I have dress. Dresses, dress. So the woman singular. So what do? We add the s. Bravo. And here we added es because dress ends with double s. Okay, so the woman dresses nice daily. Okay, so 5, 6, and 7 are homework. Okay, homework. This is a homework. This is a homework, and this is another homework. Okay, homework. Please do them. I'm gonna read them for you. Okay, the men, look, the men everything about football. Know or knows. My dog a lot these days. Eats or eat. We always our homework. Does or do. Remember when it is singular, I add s to the verb. Done? Let's move down. Okay. Underline the verb in the following sentences, then rewrite them to have simple present verb. So first I need to find the verb, then I need to change it into simple present. Okay, now remember that the verbs can be two in the same sentence, a helping verb and a main verb, or it can be one. Okay, so let's start together. Ahmed is going to Aqaba. Ahmed is going to Aqaba. So Ahmed is the subject, right? Where is the verb? Is going. This is the verb. So if I need to change is going to simple present, what is gonna be? It is gonna be goes. Bravo. So let's discuss this together. Okay. So Ahmed is going to Aqaba. The verb is going. Is a verb and go is another verb. So I take them both. Okay. Now when there is or are in the sentence, I don't take them in simple present. I only take the main verb. Where is the main verb? The main verb is go. This is the main verb, okay? Is go. So I change go according to the subject. Ahmed is singular. So I add es to the verb. Okay? Done. Number 2. People invented many useful things. People invented many useful things. Where is the verb? Bravo. Invented is the verb and it's a verb in the past. Okay. Where is the main verb here? So you have invented, right? So ed or ed as we said is the verb of simple past. So the main verb here is invent. So I change invent into simple present. Let's look at the subject people. People, is it singular or plural? Of course, this is a plural, okay? So I'm gonna keep invent as it is. I'm not gonna change it. Okay? So first you look at the main verb, then you look at the subject and you add s according to it. If it is singular, we add s or es to the verb. If it is a plural, we don't add anything. Okay? Let's go to number 3. Okay. They are studying hard for the exams. They are studying hard for the exams. So the verb is are only? No, studying. Bravo. This is the verb. Where is the subject? They. Where is the main verb? Study. Excellent. So you do it. Okay, this is a homework. You change study into simple present as the subject. Okay, my friend wanted to go to my birthday. My friend wanted to go to my birthday. So where is the main verb here? Wanted. Bravo. And its verb in the past. Excellent, because it has ed. So the main verb is want without ed. And I have here my friend. My friend, is it singular or plural? Remember, if it is singular, I add s to the verb. If it is a plural, I don't add anything. So these 2, 3, and 4 are homework. Okay, done? Okay, let's move to the last page. Okay, this is very easy. After studying simple present verbs, circle the correct answer. Okay, you need to read it very carefully and then we're gonna circle the verb. Done? Okay, and I'm not gonna circle as usual, I'm gonna highlight. Okay, Farah sometimes karate and judo. Farah sometimes karate and judo. Okay, do or does. Where is the subject? Sorry, the subject is Farah, right? This is the subject. It's Farah. Okay, Farah. Is it singular or plural? Singular or plural? Okay, I changed my mind. I'm gonna circle. Is it singular or plural? Hmm. Singular, bravo. So when singular subjects are in the sentence, what do? I add s or es. This is the answer. Does. Farah sometimes does karate and judo. He usually basketball at school. He usually basketball at school. Okay, what about this? What is the subject first? The subject is he. Bravo. Okay, he. Is it singular or plural? Singular. So what do? I add s. Excellent. Plays. He plays basketball at school. Let's go to number 3. They thieves and put them in jail. They thieves and put them in jail. Where is the subject? They. Is it singular or plural? Plural. Excellent. Good job. Okay. When I have a plural subject, do I add something to the verb? No. Bravo. So, what do? This is catch. I am gonna circle the word catch. Okay. So remember, singular subject add s. Plural subject don't add anything. Okay, let's move down. Number 4. My neighbor's rubbish in my backyard. Oh, my neighbor's rubbish in my backyard. This is not nice. Okay, where's the subject? My neighbors. Look, neighbors, neighbors. I have S here. Can you see it? S. Okay, so this is plural. Bravo, plural. So, what do I do with the plural subject? I don't add anything. Good job. So, it is throw. My neighbors throw rubbish in my backyard. Number 5. I glasses when I watch TV. I glasses when I watch TV, and I have where and where's. Where is the subject? It is I. And we said that I is a singular pronoun, but in grammar it's a plural. Okay? So when I have a plural subject, what do I do? I don't add anything. Good job, smart students. Okay, I don't add anything. So wear. I wear glasses when I watch TV. Okay, this is it. Done. Now you have 6, 7, and 8 as a homework. Okay, so 6, 7, and 8 as a homework. My teacher me to sing the poem. Picks. But remember, this is es. Picks and picks. Which one? The shop at 7 o'clock closes. This is double S. The baby cries because he's hungry. Cries with Y, cries with I. Which one? So 6, 7, and 8 are homework. Done? Okay. Thank you very much. This was Simple Present Part 2 where we did our worksheets. Okay, the worksheets you're gonna find them on MSS website when you enter your username and password. Okay, I hope that you do the homework. If you need anything, if you have a question, you can ask me. Thank you so much and have a nice day.